And now, marine weather around Alaska.
Coastal water forecast here for the southeast coast on the south coast, west-southwest, 10 to 15 knots for Monday. Not too bad up north either, with anywhere from southwest to southeast at 10 to 20 knots. Lynn Canal, south at 15. Stevens Passage, south at 10. And Clarence Strait, south at 15. And then for the day on Tuesday, light variable winds up here along the north coast at 5 to 10 knots. West-northwest breeze at 10 to 15 knots on the central coast. Northwest at 20 there along the outer coastline of Prince of Wales Island. And for the inside waters here, west-northwest breezes 10 to 15 knots. Prince William Sound tomorrow, southeast wind at 15 knots. And for the eastern North Gulf Coast, variable winds 10 to 15, south at 15 on the west side. Cook Inlet, north to west winds at 15, and west winds 20 knots there for Kamishak Bay and the Barren Islands. And then for the day on Tuesday, Cook Inlet, southwest 15, same thing for Kamishak Bay, west winds 20 knots here, Barren Islands, western North Gulf Coast, light variable winds for Prince William Sound, and variable winds at 15 knots for the eastern North Gulf Coast. And for Kodiak tomorrow, west-southwest at 20, variable winds at 10 knots for the Alaska Peninsula, west at 20 for Bristol Bay. And moving on to Tuesday, pick the winds up here across the peninsula, south to southeast 20 to 25 knots, southeast at 15 for Bristol Bay, and a west-southwesterly breeze at 15 to 20 knots there, with the strongest winds in Shelikof Strait for the waters around Kodiak Island. Fox Islands tomorrow, south winds 15 to 20 knots, small craft advisories Adak and Atka, south at 25, and some gale warnings west of Adak to Shemya for south winds at 30 to 35 knots. And for the day on Tuesday, western Aleutians, we've got south to southwest winds at 25 to 30 knots. Gale warnings here for Adak, Atka, over to Nikolsky there on Unmak Island at 35 knots, and Unalaska Island, it's about the same. Gale warnings there, south to southeast winds at 35 knots. And for the southwest coast, southwest breeze tomorrow, 10 to 15 knots, southwest 15 for Norton Sound, and St. Lawrence Island, St. Matthew Island and the Pribilof, south at 20. Pick the winds up here with that system coming into the Bering Sea, south at 30 for the Pribilof, southeast 30 for St. Matthew Island. Small craft advisories now for the southwest coast. Out of the southeast, 25 to 30 knots, about the same for St. Lawrence Island, and southeast at 20 for Norton Sound. Eastern Beaufort Sea coast tomorrow, east-southeast at 10, and the central and west side, south 10 to 20 knots. Chukchi Sea, south to southeast winds 20 to 25. And for the day on Tuesday, the Chukchi Sea, pretty good wind, small craft advisories going here. South winds 25 to 30 knots, south at 20 there for the western Arctic coast, central coast south at 15, south to southwest 10 to 15 for the eastern Beaufort Sea.